हाँ नीचे नीचे देख।
हेलो। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा।
Good
Yes,
morning,
now
sir.
good morning. So on Friday we were doing this now. We were discussing partners capital account and partners current account. There are two types of accounts. One is fixed capital and one was, what is another type? Fluctuating. So which method is this? If you are making partners capital account and partners current account, this comes under which method?
Fixed capital.
This is a fixed capital method. So we have done this question also. Now let's come to this question. This question we have done 20th. We have done 20th question or not? Yes. We haven't done, no?
No,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Let's start this question. This is question number 22 on page number 2.82. So Amal and Bimal, sorry, Amar and Bimal entered into partnership on 1st April 2020, contributing 1,50,000 and 2,50,000 respectively towards capital. The partnership deed provided for interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. It also provided that capital account shall be maintained following fixed capital account method. Means company is following fixed capital account method. So the firm earned net profit of rupees 1 lakh for the year ended 31st March 2020. Pass a journal entry for interest on capital. Now here they are asking pass a journal entry for interest on capital. What should be the journal entry? First tell me, where will you transfer interest on capital? Current account or capital account? Yes, anyone? If we are maintaining fixed capital account method, where will you transfer interest on capital? Under current account or capital account?
Capital account.
Capital account. You are following
Current account.
fixed
Current
capital account. So it should be transferred to current account only. It's given now, it is provided that capital account shall be maintained following fixed capital account method. So if they are following fixed capital account method, so all the entries will be transferred to current account except entries for capital. If any new capital is brought in or drawings are made out of capital, then it will be transferred to capital account. Now, what should be the journal entry? You have to pass journal entry for interest on capital only, not for profit. Yes, anyone?
Interest on capital account debited to capital account.
This will be the first entry. Second entry, this entry was for due. When you due interest on capital or you transfer interest on capital. Second entry क्या होगी? This will be the second entry. You will close the account, profit and loss appropriation account debit to Amar's current account to Bimal's current account. Is it clear? Whenever they ask you pass the journal entry, so we assume that interest due की entry they have already passed. But if they ask pass the journal entries, then you will pass two journal entries. Is it clear to everyone? Here you will pass the journal entry for transferring it to profit and loss appropriation account. So entry would be profit and loss appropriation account debit to Amar's current account to Bimal's current account, being the interest on capital transferred to current account. So amount will be 10% of 1,50,000, 15,000. 10% of 2,50,000, it will be 25,000. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, Arpita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt about this entry? Saloni?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Tulsa? Yes,
No,
Tulsa?
No, sir.
This entry is clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted it?
सर
हाँ
Yes,
बोलो. Yes.
सर ये सब नोटबुक में भी करना है ना?
हाँ ये मैं तुम्हें बोलता रहा हूँ कि साथ साथ अपनी नोटबुक में करते जाओ.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
I am preparing the assignment also on the Google Docs. I will send you from that Google Classroom. ठीक है? You will get an email in which the question objective type questions are given and marks are already allotted to it. ठीक है? तो तुम्हें सिर्फ टिक टिक करना है जो तुम्हें करेक्ट आंसर लगे and you will get marks for that also. वो automatically तुम्हें marks भी मिल जाएंगे and you can see the answers also after completing the assignment. And I will give it for on NPO. ठीक है? आज शाम तक शायद मैं तुम्हें दे दूँ. It will be on NPO only. Yes.
सर मैं पिछली क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर पाया था तो सर जो आपने लिंक भेजा था ना वो फाइल में वो सब प्ले नहीं हो रही है.
कौन बोल रहे हैं?
सागर.
सागर बेटा मैंने भेजा है वो लिंक उसके थ्रू. तुमने वो दिया मेरे को ईमेल आईडी. उसमें है फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डाउनलोड देन इट विल बी प्लेड.
ओके सर.
ठीक है? यू हैव टू डाउनलोड इट. So after downloading you can play it. It's better to use laptops. ठीक है? You can save the recordings there and you can see at any time.
Okay sir.
Okay, now come to the next question. Question number. Sorry. ये कौन सा? Now question number 21, page number 2.82. Kamal and Kapil are partners having fixed capital of ₹5 lakh each as on 31st March 2019. Kamal introduced further capital of ₹1 lakh on 1st October 2019, whereas Kapil withdrew ₹1 lakh on 1st October 2019 out of capital. Now word is given out of capital. It means these are the drawings made out of capital. So capital is being withdrawn. interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. The firm earned a net profit of rupees 6 lakh for the year ended 31st March 2020. Pass the journal entries for interest on capital and prepare profit and loss appropriation account. You have to pass the journal entry for interest on capital and you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for that date. Now again, the word is given fixed capital. Fixed capital means you will use, this is given fixed capital. Okay. You will use current account. Where will you show these amounts? In the current account. Now you have to, this one is the calculation. Interest on capital on Kamal's capital. Kamal's capital was 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 10 into 6 by 100, into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. Plus 6 lakh into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. Why they have taken 6 lakh here? 5 lakh was a, ये देखो 5 lakh each, they have started on 1st April. So 5 lakh is for 6 months because Kamal introduced further capital of 1 lakh on 1st October 2019. If this point is clear to everyone, 5 lakh is meant for 6 months. Then Kamal introduced further capital of rupees 1 lakh. Now his capital will become 6 lakh. So he will get interest on 6 lakh for next 6 months. If this point is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Whereas Kapil withdrew rupees 1 lakh on 1st October 2019. Means Kapil will get 5 lakh for 6 months and 4 lakh for 6 months because he has withdrawn this capital. So his capital will be reduced by 1 lakh. So this was the calculation, 5 lakh for 6 months. Then he added 1 lakh, so his capital will become 6 lakh. 6 lakh for next 6 months. So his total interest will be 55,000. Similarly, for Kapil's capital, 5 lakh for first 6 months. Then he has withdrawn 1 lakh, so his capital will reduce to 4 lakh. So 4 lakh will be for next 6 months. So his interest on capital will be 45,000. Any doubt about this part? Because this is very important part. Yes, anyone?
No, sir.
Shri?
No, sir.
No doubt.
No, sir.
This point is clear. Saksham, Khandelwal.
No, sir.
If this point is clear, Manya,
Yes, sir.
Manya Sharma, Manav Khattar, Manav. No answer. Manav, है वहां पे कि नहीं? Okay. Now it means you will pass general entries for interest on capital 55,000 and 45,000, and they are having fixed capitals. Fixed capital means these two entries will be passed in current account or capital account. Current account only. So journal entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to Kamal's current account to Kapil's current account, and 55,000 for Kamal and 45,000 for Kapil. You can note down. Date will be 2020 March 31st. It will not be 2020 March April 1st because this entry will be passed at the end of the accounting year. Achha, what entry should have been passed before this? Anyone? इससे पहले कौन सी entry pass करते हैं हम? वंश?
सर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल की करेंगे.
क्या बोलो, क्या होगी?
इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट.
इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू
ये प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट.
फिर उसके बाद ये वाली सेकेंड एंट्री. ठीक है?
हाँ.
सो नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाँ, इसी का नेक्स्ट पार्ट हमने बनाना है. you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. बेटा इसको नोट कर लो साथ साथ. Don't go for recordings क्योंकि recording में बाद में कर लेना, but now you have to do this profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020. And on this side you must write on debit on above this column. Debit particulars and credit side this. Now what should be the first entry, first transaction? Saloni,
Yes, sir.
what should be the first transaction in this account?
By profit and loss account.
Very good, very good.
6
By
lakh.
profit and loss account,
6 lakh.
6 lakh. You will transfer this profit to this side. Okay?
Yes, sir. Credit side.
Pramika is there. Pramika, what should be the next entry? Lavanya.
सर प्रामिका का ना माइक नहीं वर्क कर रहा एक्चुअली, उसका प्रॉब्लम है.
Okay, Lavanya ka. Is
पता नहीं
Lavanya
उसका.
there?
Yes, sir.
Lavanya, what should be the next entry for interest on capital?
Fixed capital है sir current account में.
So what should I write here? Debit side.
By current account.
Two.
To current account.
To interest on capital, Kamal's current account and Kapil's current account. So we have calculated this amounts 55,000 and 45,000 previously. So you will write that amount. So it will come to 1 lakh. So after this you will get total karo 6 lakh and to profit transfer to Kamal's current account 2,50,000, Kapil's current account 250. So it is 5 lakh. In this case, you are supposed to make two accounts. One is journal entry, one is journal, second is P&L appropriation account. ये दोनों बनाने. Any doubt? Shall I proceed to next question?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please wait.
Okay. You must keep copies with you, registers with you to note down. For next question, draw the format. Draw the formats in journal. Yes, noted. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question number 23. Anita and Ankita are partners sharing profits equally. Their capitals maintain the following fluctuating capital accounts method. Now they are following fluctuating capital accounts method. As on 31st March 2019 were 5 lakh and 4 lakh respectively. And partnership deed provide to allow interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. I think हमारी book में 2020 होगा this one. Or maybe 2019 ही है ना? The firm earned net profit of 2 lakh for the year ended 31st March 2020. Pass the journal entry for interest on capital. This is similar to 21st. What should be the journal entry?
So profit and loss appropriation account debit.
Yes, to
Anita's current account to Ankita's current account. And उसका वो line हो गया being interest and capital transfer to profit and loss.
Slowly ने answer दिया ना ये?
हाँ जी sir.
Now Vansh, Saksham, Shivansh.
Sir, capital account होएगा.
Who is correct? Lavanya? Lavanya नहीं तो Pramika.
Sir, capital
सर एक बार
account.
क्वेश्चन रिपीट करना.
Question में बेटे, question में it is given fluctuating capital account. They are following fluctuating capital account method. So I'm asking where will you transfer this interest on capital account?
Capital account.
It will be transferred to capital account or current account?
Capital.
Because they are following fluctuating capital account method, the only one account will be prepared, that is capital account. So journal entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to Anita's capital account to Ankita's capital account. Amount will be 50,000 and 40,000 because 10% of 5 lakh is 50,000, 10% of 4 lakh is 40,000 because this capital was there for whole year. So interest is always on time based. Interest is always time based. Whatever time they have invested the capital, they will get interest on that amount only. Noted? Shri and Darika, have you taken the attendance?
Yes, sir.
Pramika
Yes, sir.
and Pramika Sloni,
Sir, ले लिए 29 present out of 39.
29. एक बार दोबारा क्रॉस चेक कर लेना बेटा, किसी ने लेट ज्वाइन किया हो.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now come to the next part. Next question, sorry. इसी का ही है ये.
सर 1 मिनट पहले वाली स्लाइड दिखा दो प्लीज एक बार. यस सर.
ठीक है. टोटल अमाउंट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड 90 ऊपर चला गया, 90 इसके फ्रंट में आएगा. ठीक है. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस प्रोविजन अकाउंट डेबिट 90,000.
सर आप कर लो आगे.
ठीक है. Now this is question number 26. 23 के बाद 24 and 25 you can do yourself. Once I know you asked me for question number 52. ठीक है. I will.
Yes, sir.
I will reply your query today. ठीक है.
Okay.
After this class, after half an hour, I will reply.
Okay.
If anyone has problem for question number 52 from chapter number 1, because once she's asking for solution
sir.
of this.
Yes sir.
You have also problem, so I will solve it and send you the solution.
And so question number 22 you had told us to do as homework. So I did it, but I'm not sure about the answer being correct or not.
Answers are
So
given
that-
at the back now.
No sir.
After 2 or 3 pages, the answers are given.
Yes sir, answers are given at the back.
Yes, not at the back. After this chapter, after every chapter, answers are given.
So yes, at the back. I'm sorry. Okay.
You can cross check it if you get any doubt. You can ask me.
Okay.
Okay, now come to this question, page number 2.83. On 1st April 2013, Jay and Vijay entered into partnership for supplying. Let me erase this. For supplying laboratory equipments to government schools situated in remote and backward areas. They contributed capitals rupees 80,000 and rupees 50,000 respectively and agreed to share profits in the ratio of 3:2. The partnership deed provided that interest on capital shall be allowed at 9% per annum. During the year, the firm earned a profit of rupees 7,800. Showing your calculation clearly, prepare profit and loss appropriation account of J and Vijay for the year ended 31st March 2014. Okay, this is the board CBSE question from 2015. Now, one thing is ratio is given. Second thing, the partnership deed provided that interest on capital shall be allowed at 9% per annum. During the year, the firm earned a profit of 7,800. First, you will calculate 9% of this, 9% of this. What will be 9% of 80,000? 7,200.
Yes.
And 9% of 50,000 will be 4,500.
500.
Now you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Draw the format. Now these are the calculations. Means interest on J's capital will be 80,000 into 9 by 100, 7,200. Interest on Vijay's capital is equal to 50,000 into 9 by 100 is equal to 4,500. Total interest payable is 11,700. Okay. This is the topic regarding interest on capital. Interest on capital will be allowed if it is given as charge. If the interest is only it is written. Sorry. Now, if it is only written, the partnership deed provided that interest on capital shall be allowed. at 9% per annum. It is given interest on capital shall be allowed at 9% per annum. Means if the available profits are more than this interest, then interest will be given. Okay? If the available profits are more than the interest amount, then interest will be given at this 9%. But if the interest is profit available is less than the interest amount, then it will be divided in the ratio that I will tell you now. Now you can see amount available is 7,800, but according to this calculation amount comes to 11,700. It means interest on capital is more than available profits. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
The profit is less than the interest amount, or interest on capital is more than the available profit. So the interest will not be given as this 7,200 to J and 4,500 to Vijay. It will be given, it will be calculated in this ratio. Now calculation of proportionate interest on capital will be J was supposed to get 7,200 and total interest payable was 11,700. So 7,200 upon 11,700 into the available profit 7,800. So you get for J it is 4,800, and similarly Vijay was supposed to get 4,500 out of total 11,700 into available profit is 7,200 or 800. So his share will come 3,000. Now I'm asking again, if any doubt about this part. This is very, very important part, because the available profit was less than the interest on capital. Then you have to follow this method. और ये 2015 में आया हुआ है बोर्ड में.
Sir, can you repeat this part again?
First tell me what is clear to you.
Sir, when you found the interest.
Found the interest.
And added it.
I got the interest amount as 11,700. But my profit was 7,800.
Okay.
Okay. Means profit is less than interest.
Interest.
Interest payable amount. Okay. Interest payable amount is 11,700. But we have only 7,800 profit. Okay. So what will you do? You will divide this 7,800 into this ratio, 7,200 upon 11,700, and for Vijay it will be 4,500 upon 11,700. Means interest payable to J upon total interest payable into the profit. Interest payable to J upon total interest payable into the available profit. That comes to 4,800. Clear? And similarly, 4,500 was the amount payable to Vijay as interest, and total interest payable was 11,700 into 7,800. It comes to 3,000. Any doubt to anyone? Manya? Yes, Manya Kohli. Maneet Singh, are you there? Maneet?
Yes, sir.
Maneet, did you?
Sir, mic mute था मेरा.
Did you get this better?
Sir, sort of, क्योंकि मेरे को ना हल्की confusion हो रही है क्योंकि मेरे को पहले का आता नहीं ना.
नहीं इसमें बेटा क्या पहले बोल रहे हो बेटे नो नीड ऑफ पहले वाला. हाँ ये वाला देख लो.
वो जो बोल रहे हो सर वो समझ में आ रहा है, बट मेरे को लाइक जो
पीछे वाला बेटा I have sent the recording links to all, so you can take that recording links. ठीक है, those recording links and you can see it again.
ठीक है सर.
अच्छा, one more thing, Saloni was yes.
क्लास ग्रुप में भेजा रिकॉर्डिंग.
हाँ नहीं उसमें बेटा Google Classroom के थ्रू भेजा मैंने.
Okay sir.
Beta, there are two accounts I opened. One is Google Groups and one is Google Classroom. So you must get the invite. So if you get any invite, you must accept it from tsvedi19@gmail.com. Okay? Then you will join those classes. I will post all the things in Google Classroom. Okay? I will post the assignments also. I will share the links also in that group only. Okay?
Okay sir.
So whenever I post anything, you will get information about that in your email only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now come to this part. Acha, there, what is the significance of 3:2? Significance 3:2 is का कोई significance नहीं इसमें, because the available there is no remaining profit after distributing of interest on capital. Profit available is 0. Is it clear to Saloni?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now by net profit is given 7,800, and on debit side you will write to interest on capital, J's capital 4,800, Vijay's capital account 3,000 to 7,800. So remaining profit is nil. Means distributable profit and divisible profit is 0. Yes, any doubt? Noted? If this point is noted by everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if anyone has any problem regarding Google Classroom or Google Groups, so you can send me the your intro email to my email ID ttsbedi19@gmail.com. I will add you again. Those who are not added. Shreya, did you get it?
Srishti, sir. Yes,
Shre-
sir.
But name is written Shreya Chopra.
Hey, Srishti.
सर वो 12th EG है.
12th is Shreya Chopra. She is not replying. Okay. Now come to the next question. Now in this question, there is so much information is given. Following is the extract of the balance sheet. This is question number 27. Following is the balance sheet of Neelkant and Mahadev as on 31st March 2020. Their liabilities are given, their assets are given, and during the year, Mahadev's drawings were 30,000. Profit during the year ended 31st March 2020 is rupees 10 lakh. Calculate interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum for the year ended 31st March 2020. This question has been taken from NCERT by Gravel sir. So in this, you have been given these two capital account and these two current account. So which method they are following? Fluctuating or fixed capital account method?
Fixed capital.
They are following fixed capital account method, and profit and loss account is given 2019-20 is 8 lakh. Now this figure, if it is given on the credit side, profit and loss account, it means the undistributed profit. Okay? This profit has not been distributed to Neelkant and Mahadev. So it has been written as liability in the separate account. If it would have been written on the asset side, so it would be a loss. It means that loss was not divided between Neelkant and Mahadev. If this point is clear to everyone, if profit and loss account is given on the liability side, this is the undistributable profit, and it is given on the asset side, then it is a loss. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to calculate interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum for the year ended this. So 5% of what amount you will take? Yes.
10 lakh.
10 lakh. Acha, what about this? During the year, Mahadev drawings were 30,000. You will take these drawings at what? These are the drawings out of capital or out of profits? Yes, anyone from 62 student 61, sorry.
Capital, sir.
Vansh. Is Nelson there? But whenever
Yes,
it is given, Nelson, these drawings are made of out of profit or out of capital?
Sir, capital.
If it is given the word capital.
No, sir.
So I already told you many times to all of you, okay, if drawings are given, simple drawings are given, it means those drawings are made out of profits. If the word is given drawings are made out of capital, then it will be treated as drawings out of capital. Then his capital will be reduced. Is it clear to everyone now? These drawings are
Yes, sir.
made out of profits, means unka profit kam hoga. They have taken these drawings from their profits only. But if the word is given drawings out of capital, तब उनका capital reduce होगा. Then interest भी reduce हो जाएगा. But now in this case drawings were 30,000. It means we treat it as out of profits. So their capital will remain same, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. And what about this profit and loss account 8 lakh? ये 8 lakh उनका current year का profit है. This is their current year profit. So it will be added later on. But they have invested 10 lakh in the starting. At the end of again it is 10 lakh only. But अगर यहाँ डेट दी होती 2018-19 तब क्या होता? Anyone else? Vansh, I think you can answer. Shivansh, Saloni.
So ये previous year का हो जाता है ना फिर 20.
Yes, fair. It should have been added to this.
तो
ठीक है?
करंट वाला हो जाता फिर
हाँ, नहीं
उसमें ऐड हो जाता.
हाँ, अगर 8 लाख होता तो 8 लाख को अगर सपोज देयर रेशियोज आर इक्वल रेशियोज तो ये 4 लाख विल बी एडेड टू देयर कैपिटल बिकॉज दिस इज देयर प्रीवियस ईयर प्रॉफिट्स.
Yes,
So it means their capital should be 14 lakh. They will get interest on 14 lakh then.
yes,
Okay. Now the word is given 2019-20. It means this is the current year profit. It will be added later on. So
yes,
answer will be simple. Neil Khan's interest on capital 10 lakh into 550,000. 10 lakh into 550,000. ये देख लो इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है but answer is very simple. Only the point was this that during the year Mahadev's drawings were 30,000. These drawings will be taken as out of profits, so their capital will not be reduced. If this point is clear to everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed to next topic because 2 minutes are left? Now come to this point. Molly and Bholi contribute 20,000 and 10,000. 28 I will do tomorrow. I have taken this question now. Molly and Bholi contribute 20,000 10,000 respectively towards capital. They decide to allow interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum. Their respective share of profits are 2:3 and the net profit is 1,500. Show distribution of profits. Now this is the case when there is no agreement except for interest on capital. Means there is an agreement that interest on capital shall be given at the rate of 6% per annum. This is the similar question which we have done I think 21 or 23, 26 question. Now second part is when there is an agreement that interest on capital as a charge. Now if the word is given charge, it means interest on capital should be allowed. It must be given. Okay? Irrespective of the available profit. It means this interest must be given first, then you will divide this. So if the available profit is less than the interest on capital, still the interest will be given at this rate 6%. Is it clear? Now
Yes,
time
sir.
is very short, 40 minutes are left. So we will meet tomorrow. Okay? So in this case 1,500, 6% of 20,000 is 1,200, 6% of 10,000 is 600. So it means 1,800. So this 1,800 interest on capital is more than 1,500. Still we will give interest on capital in the second case. But in the first case you will divide. How will you divide? Yes.
Sorry, interest payable upon total interest into profit.
Very good. So you will do by that. So first case Molly interest. Now this is the interest on capital. This is the interest on capital to be given. Now total interest on capital payable is 1,200 plus 600.